Welcome to Computer Programming with Shirin. In last class, we already seen some patterns using the nested loops. We'll try to discuss more examples inside this class. See this one. This we already tried, which will print asterisk symbol in a triangle shape. You can see the output over here. This we already discussed in the last class. Now I'm trying to make some modification over here and see the output over there. This inner loop is controlling using the I itself. So if I is changing from 1 to n, the stars will also print like that. 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, like that it's going. If I'm trying to reverse the outer loop, what will happen means I will start from 1 and I will decrement. Now you should find out a solution or condition which should end at last. If you're writing I is less than or equal to n, this will be always true because starting value of I is 4, then it will change into 3. So 4 is less than 3, then 4 is less than 2, like that it will go infinite. So we need another solution. Here that should work from 4 to 1. So I need to compare I and 1 and take the initial value of I. It's 4. So it should be greater and it should work up to 1. I can see this will stop automatically when I reaches 0. And see the output now. We are getting the reverse of that triangle, right? Because first is 4, then 4 times this will work, then next is 3, 3 times it will work, like that we are getting the output. And in like previous example, of course, you can change the I value and j value from here itself. You will get different types of patterns over there. Using j, you are getting this pattern. Using I, you are getting this pattern. And of course, I into j, that reverse of multiple triangle you will get. So you are getting different outputs over there. Now, and making it reverse. Okay. Now it's like the previous loop, the first loop itself. I will change from 1 to n and we will get 1 star to n star like this. I need to print a continuous numbers over there. So how to do that? You have to declare one more variable over there and I'm initializing the value as 1. I and j, it's already controlling the loop. So I can't change the value of I and j into something else. That's why I'm using a third variable over there and that value is printing over there. Now if you are trying to run this program, you will get 111 continuously. After printing, you have to change the number into the next number. So what we will do, you can increment after each printing. And this pattern, it's a continuous number and it's known as Floyd's triangle. Now the next, I want to print odd numbers and even numbers alternatively. Okay, so if you want to print just odd numbers, you have to reset a's value before starting each loop and should increment with 2. If you are running this program, you can find out like it will print the odd patterns over there because before starting the inner loop, it's resetting into 1 and 1 plus 2, you will get 3, 3 plus 2, you will get 5. So this will go print the odd numbers and the inner loop controls how many time it should work. So first time it was 1, so only one time it will work. So that's why it's printing 1. Next time this is working 2 times. So we will get the first 2 numbers 1 and 3. Like that it's going over there. And instead of 1, if you are trying to give 2 as an initial value, then you should get a even sequence over there. So that means like if you can switch this a value 1 and 2, then you will get the odd and even patterns alternatively. In odd rows, I need odd patterns and even rows, I need to get even patterns. That odd row, even row, we can find out from the I itself because I is controlling the rows. Divisible by 2. If it is divisible by 2, that means it's an even number or it's even row. That time a value should be 2, otherwise a value should be 1. Now if you're running this program, you will get odd and even patterns alternatively. So based on the I value, this a value, initial value will change automatically. If I is odd, then a will be 1. If I is even, then a will be even. And if a value is 1, it will print odd number sequence. And if a is 2, it will print even sequence. That's why we are getting this answer. I think you got the idea. If any doubt, please put in comment. Now I will try some more examples over there. Till now, we are working with 2 loops over there. In next example, inside this loop, I will try to add one more loop over there. So 2 loops are inside the outer loop. First, we'll see the output of this one. and we'll give the explanation. So just running the program. Here we will get a triangle with two sides equals. The right and left sides are equal. Now we'll give the explanation how it's working. Inside this example we are using the I, K and J. So here first I value is 1. 1 is less than or equal to 4. Condition is true. I plus plus. Now this k equal to 1, k is less than or equal to n minus 1, that is 4 minus 1. So it should work 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. 3 times it should work. 3 spaces should be printed over there. So space I will mark with a green dot. So 1, 2, 3 dots we can see. Now this J loop should work. J loop is controlling with I and I is 1. So 1 to 1, only one time this will work. At that one time it should print a asterisk symbol. So here we will get a asterisk symbol and of course a space is printing over there. Now this will print a new line. So the cursor should come to the next line. Now again I equal to 2, k is less than or equal to 4 minus 2. So this will work only 2 times because 4 minus 2 it's 2. So 1 to 2, 2 times only it will work. So it should print 2 spaces over there. So first space and second space. Now j equal to 1, j is less than or equal to 2. This should work 2 times, 1 and 2 times. So it should print star and space 2 times. First star, then space, then star, then again a space. Again it will print a new line over there. This time I is changing into 3. Here it will be 4 minus 3. So 1. Here this will work only one time and this should print a space over there. J should work from 1 to 3. 3 times it should print star and space. So star, space, star, space, star and space. Next term I value is 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So this loop will not work because first time itself the condition is false. And this J loop will work from 1 to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So actually this loop is not working and this loop is working 4 times. So this space printing will not be work. And now this should print 4 star and space. So star will print first, then a space, then again a star and again a space, again a star, space, star and a space. So we are getting the output like this. Here one space is given. So 2 into 1, that is 2 character, 1 asterisk and 1 space. So 2 character spaces given over 2 character spaces given over there. I will give the explanation more. Using printf we can control the number of spaces like this. Inside this, if I am trying to give 2s, so 2 spaces is there. So here, so this will correct with 2 spaces. Now here you should give 2 into n, that means percentage 2 into 2, 4 space you have to give over there like this. See the output like this. So if it is 3 into 2, 6, like that you can arrange the spaces over there. So we are getting this. Now I will take a copy of the entire program. I'll take a copy of the entire program and will put a separator here and pasting the same program downside. So 2 times this is repeating. So if you are checking your output, you will find out something like this. I'll just clear and run it again. So you'll find out like this. Now this second copy I'm modifying from n minus 1 to greater than or equal to 1 I minus minus. Only the I loop is reversing over there. N minus 1 to 1. Run the program again. So you'll get a diamond pattern over there. I think this idea is clear. Today's class we will wind up to this example. More example we will try in next class. Please subscribe the channel, share and like. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.